People borrow money, promise to return it on time, and then disappear. No calls, no messages, just silence. It's frustrating, right? You trusted them, and now you're left feeling used and financially stressed. But why does this happen so often? Why do people suck at handling financial responsibilities, especially when it comes to paying back loans? The truth is, when money gets involved in personal relationships, things get messy. Most borrowers don't intend to take advantage of you, but good intentions aren't enough. They procrastinate, forget, or prioritize other things over repaying what they owe. That initial guilt of not paying you back, it slowly turns into avoidance. Dodging your calls, ignoring your messages, pretending the debt doesn't exist. Meanwhile, you're stuck in an awkward position, torn between wanting your money back and not wanting to damage the relationship. What makes it worse? We often lend money out of emotion, helping a friend in need, supporting a family member going through a rough patch, or giving a partner a financial boost. But when they don't return the money, that emotional decision leaves you with not just financial stress, but also broken trust. The harsh reality? People prioritize what matters to them. While you're waiting for repayment, they might be spending on things they consider more important. Dinners out, new gadgets, vacations, all while brushing off the responsibility of paying you back. Without clear boundaries, deadlines, or written agreements, there's no real sense of urgency for them to return what they owe. It's easy to downplay a loan when there's no formal structure behind it, and as the lender, you end up suffering twice. First when you give the money, and again when you realize it's probably not coming back. So how do you protect yourself from falling into this cycle? It starts with setting boundaries. Only lend what you can afford to lose, and always make sure there's some form of written agreement, even if it's just a message confirming the amount and repayment date. Use digital payment methods that leave a paper trail, and don't feel guilty about following up. Your money, your peace of mind, both deserve respect. And if saying no feels difficult, remember this: protecting your financial well-being isn't selfish, it's necessary. There are other ways to help someone without risking your own stability. Offering advice, sharing resources, or finding non-monetary ways to support them. At the end of the day, money reveals character. If someone disappears over a debt, they've shown you where their priorities truly lie. Let them go. Protect your peace, and surround yourself with people who respect both your kindness and your boundaries. Have you ever been in a situation where someone didn't return what they owed you? How did it impact your relationship with them? Share your experience in the comments. Let's learn from each other's stories.